Let's start with the right foot forward. Sweep back. Sweep over. Chase the sun clockwise. Come down on the right and overhand weave. Left turn 360. Boom, 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 boom. Right turn 360. Boom, 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 boom. Open it up. Stall right. Turn left. Overhand thread the needle on the front. And plane shift it up over the head. Flat over the head. Take the right poi. Come down. Hit your butt. Turn left in a counterclockwise corkscrew. Come down and double tap in together time. Up over the top. Double tap on the right. Up and down on the left. Double tap. Up and down on the right, double tap. Now turn as you come up, around, down, and tap. And then to the right, up, around, down, and tap. To the left, up, around, down, and tap. And to the right, up, around, down, and tap. Now we're going to add a jump as we turn. Up, turn, and jump, down, and tap. To the right, up, turn, and jump, down, and tap. To the left, up, turn, and jump, down, and tap. And to the right, turn, and jump, down, and tap. Now we're coming up counterclockwise corkscrew. Plane shift it up to pinwheel. And turn left into overhand weave. And open it up into the two-petal flower horizontal. And two-petal, 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 back to weave. And turn right to underhand weave. Open it up to the two-petal, 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 underhand weave. And step left, turn right, overhand weave. 360, back to the underhand weave. And open it up. And sweep over, step, sweep back, step. So you did a 360, but starting from underhand. Tricky, tricky, tricky. Underhand weave, and open it up to this four-petal flower, and a second four-petal flower, and then come back into the underhand weave. Turn left to the overhand weave. Open it up to the four-petal flower. And again, 2, 3, 4, back to the overhand weave. And open it up, stall left between the leg, turn right to overhand butterfly, right turn 360, underhand butterfly, back to overhand butterfly, left turn 360 to underhand butterfly, then back to overhand butterfly, angel up, angel up, angel up, double stall out, and underhand opposite hip reel, bring it up to pinwheel, bring it down to hip reel, bring it up to pinwheel, hip reel, wiggle it out, 3 count, and bring it to underhand, thread the needle on the front, drop stall, turn left to giant, turn right to underhand giant, turn left to overhand giant, into overhand weave, open it up, stall left between the leg, back to overhand butterfly, turn right, open it up, come to two-petal, oh, no, we haven't done that yet, four-petal flower, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn left to butterfly, come all the way around in a 360 turnaround, then turn one more 90-degree, four-petal flower, 1, 2, 3, 4, back to butterfly, right turn 360, and we're going to turn again 90 degrees, back into that four-petal flower, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn left to butterfly, 360 turnaround, to underhand butterfly, back to overhand butterfly, one more 90-degree, now do the two-petal flower, two-petal, front to back, and again, and a third time, and then one more time, fourth time, and come back to overhand butterfly on the front, right turn 360, angel it up, back to hip rail, and turn right, stall right, overhand weave on the right, left turn 360 in the weave, right turn 360 in the weave, walk it forward, open it up, left turn 360 and chase the sun, and right turn 360 and chase the sun, and overhand weave, walk it forward, left turn 360 and weave, right turn 360 and weave, open it up, walk it forward, chase the sun, left turn 360, chase the sun, right turn 360, overhand weave, open it up, stall right between the legs, turn left to overhand butterfly, right takeout, left takeout, right takeout, we're backing up, left takeout, now we're going forward, come up over the head, right, then left, then right, then left. Now we're going back again with the side takeouts, 4 times, left out, right out, left out. Now we're going up and moving forward, left up, left up, and turn left, stall left, overhand weave. We're going to do the same turns we were doing before, only starting on the left side here. So left foot's forward and right turn 360, left turn 360, and walk it forward. And now open it up, right chase the sun, turn 360, left chase the sun, turn 360, oh, back to weave, and walking it forward. And again, right turn 360, and a left turn 360, and walk it forward. Open it up, right chase the sun 360, left chase the sun 360, back to overhand weave, walk it forward. Third set, left foot forward, right turn 360, left turn 360, walk it forward, and we're going to chase the sun, right turn 360, left turn 360, and back to overhand weave, walking it forward, and fourth set, right turn 360, left turn 360, and walk it forward. And last time, open it up, chase the sun, right turn 360 to left turn 360, back to overhand weave, walk it forward, two petal flower, two petal flower, two petal flower, two petal flower, back to overhand weave. Turn right to underhand weave, two petal flower, two petal flower, two petal flower, two petal flower, back to underhand weave. Turn left to overhand weave, four petal flower, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to overhand weave. Turn right to underhand weave. And four petal flower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. Third set. 3, 2, 3, 4. And last one. 4, 2, 3, 4. Back to underhand weave. Turn left to overhand weave, stall left, and two petal flower, 1 and 2, third time, and then we'll do the last time, and bring it down to butterfly in the front, right turn 360, boom, 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 left turn 360, boom, 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 turn right 90 degrees, four petal flower, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Third flower, 1, 2, 3, 4. And fourth flower, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to front in butterfly. Turn left 360. Turn right 360. Turn left another 90 degrees. And let's go into the four petal flower on the left side, opposite right. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second 1, 2, 3, 4. And third one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, overhand butterfly in the front, right turn 360, left turn 360, and stall right, turn right, overhand weave, walk it forward, and left turn 360, right turn 360, walk it forward, open it up, left turn chase the sun 360, right turn chase the sun 360, walk it forward and weave, second set, and left turn 360, right turn 360, walk it forward, and open it up, left turn 360, right turn 360, and walk it forward.